No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
So yeah, that's another thing that happened. They finally went back to Aitx. No more Aitxd. I always made a joke that they changed it to D because they're dicks. They screwed so many people over with the reverse split. So that's kind of the joke I was making. Like, yeah, they changed it to Aitxd because they're dicks who just completely screwed over the longs more than anything. Let me look at the fiscal year 2026 results as well. So we got some updates here on Aitx. Don't sleep on this one, guys. These penny stocks that I'm talking about, Civil and Aitx, they are what helped me grow my account, my small account, by a lot because they're penny stocks. They can move 30 to 50 to 80%, and it's just normal. That's just normal for them, right? Ionq has moved 20% in one day, but that's like, you know, that's pitiful. That's nothing. In order for it to move 100%, it has to move $30+, whereas a penny stock doesn't have to make that kind of move to make that ridiculous 300 to 500% return. So you have to take the big risk so you can make the big reward, is what it comes down to. So that's why I'm really focused on these two penny stocks, because a lot of people have small accounts. You really got to take the risk here if you want to grow your account, man. You really do. Aitx has filed an application to uplist to the Otcqb venture market, signaling a step up in reporting standards, transparency, and market positioning. Is that it? I was hoping there'd be more. That's why they did the reverse split in the first place. It's not a... Okay, Otcqb isn't a finish line for us. It's a checkpoint. It reflects the work we've already done to strengthen the business. Probably the most important thing right here that I'm reading is it's not the finish line. It's a checkpoint. That means they're probably going to reverse split at some point again to go to Nasdaq, to go to the higher exchanges. That's what I would assume. Maybe not. Maybe they do a reverse merger. Maybe they organically, with this kind of share structure, maybe they organically go up to $1 and beyond. Maybe, but doubtful, right? Doubtful. But yeah, I mean, this is just a checkpoint. And this guy's been, this CEO, he's very transparent. That's why I like him. He's like me, just puts it out there, shoots straight. So if this is a checkpoint, then the next step would be, I assume, an uplist to Nasdaq. Okay, I think that's all about... They will be providing updates with regards to the status of its Otcqb application. Okay, so not much to take away from that. But they're making moves. They're making moves, guys. That's the most important thing about penny stocks. They have to be alive. They have to have a CEO, that's somebody that's communicating. Because if there's no communication from the company, then the stock's not going to go anywhere. It's just the penny stock that's going to die. So you need the penny stock to be communicating and hold the bottom. And it's like the easiest money ever. So I'm teaching you right now how to trade penny stocks. I'm giving you all the details. And that's why I'm still, I mean, this is what I started with, guys. I started with Aitx and Civil. So that's why I'm going over these. They are money makers. And one of them is AI and the other one is drone warfare. And they're in the Department of Defense and they have contracts. So gonna be hard to lose on these as long as you don't buy the top. As long as you don't chase high. Revenue for the fiscal year increased by 1.61 million or 26% increase. So there you go, 26% increase. We expected stronger revenue growth.